Welcome back. Today I'm diving into a full 2024 guide on how to use Kanban, specifically Kanban board view in ClickUp. If you're looking to get your workflow organized, track progress visually, and finally make sense of all those ongoing tasks, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confidently setting up and running a Kanban board inside ClickUp, making your projects much easier to manage, no matter what kind of work you do. Let's jump right in by understanding what Kanban or board view actually is in ClickUp. Imagine your project tasks as cards on a board, each card representing something you or your team needs to do. The board is divided into columns, and each column stands for a different stage of progress, like to do, in progress, and done. So instead of hunting through lists or spreadsheets, you can literally see your workflow at a glance. In ClickUp, this handy visualization is called Board View, and it's perfect for tracking task flow, instantly spotting bottlenecks, and making sure nothing slips between the cracks. Now, to set up your own Kanban board, you'll start by choosing or creating a list. Think of a list in ClickUp like a dedicated workspace for a particular set of tasks. It could be for client projects, product development, or daily operations. So head to the space or folder where you want your project to live. If you already have a list that houses your related tasks, great. If not, simply create a new list so you're starting off organized right from the outset. Once you're inside your list, it's time to add board view. Just look for the plus view or add view option within your list. ClickUp makes this pretty easy to spot. From the menu, select Board. Sometimes you might see this called Kanban or Board View, but it's all the same feature. You'll want to give your view a distinct name like Design Flow Kanban, so you and your team know exactly what this board is for. At this stage, you can decide whether you want to share the board with others or keep it private. Sharing is fantastic for collaboration, but go private if you're still getting things set up. Now for the heart of Kanban, defining your statuses, which become the columns on your board. The beauty here is customization. Your workflow might be as simple as to do, in progress, right arrow, done, or more detailed, maybe including stages like review or approved. You can tailor these statuses through your list settings by adding, removing, renaming, and even reordering them to fit your exact process. Don't overlook the power of color coding here. Assigning colors like green for approved or red for stalled lets you spot the status of tasks instantly. And if you're in a service business or agency, add a client review or internal review column for those crucial handoff steps. With your columns ready, let's create some tasks. In most cases, you'll start by clicking plus add task in the first column, usually to do. Give your task a meaningful title, flesh out the description, assign it to the right team member, set a due date, and fill out any custom fields like client or service type. Don't worry if you already have tasks elsewhere in ClickUp. You can drag them right onto your new board for easy migration. Take a moment to get your fields set up. It'll make tracking so much smoother down the line. As you work, you'll move tasks across stages by simply dragging and dropping the cards from one column to another. This movement is more than just fun. It's a real-time reflection of progress and gives you and your team a powerful overview of what's happening now, what's done, and what needs attention. The physical act of moving a card makes updates feel concrete, like shifting files on a desk. For those managing large boards or big teams, ClickUp's advanced features can be a real lifesaver. Use filters to find tasks by who's assigned, priority, or any custom field you rely on. Try swim lanes if you want rows broken out by client, service type, or another field so each part of your workflow gets its own space. You can even group columns by different fields to cluster tasks in a way that best fits your company or project. These options help you stay organized and reduce overwhelm as your board grows. And that's the Kanban board view in ClickUp, step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment, especially if you have questions or want to share your own Kanban tips. I've got plenty more guides on the way, so hit subscribe and keep learning with me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.